Good morning. Wow. Good morning. What are you doing in there? Shh. Hoy, go there. Go. Go in your closet, in your bed. Hoy, nanak. Go. Mommy kiss me. Kiss mama. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss mama. Kiss. Dali na, back na. Na, back to the closet na. Dali. Cause I need to get out here. Dali. Dali. Kiss mama. Dali. Cause I need to decorate the tree, Nana. Kiss mama. Kiss. Na. Shukoko. Dali na. Dali na. Go. Clow. Dali na ba? Get out na. Go back na. Go. Go back na. Go! What's that look for? Dali na. Hoy. Clow. You want to be in trouble? What's that look for? Oi. You're the smartest kitty in the world, Nana. You're so smart. You know what? Did you know that, Nana? Hoy. If cat can talk, maybe she said, why I get a silly mom. Come on, Amma. Let's go. Out na, go back to your closet now. Mommy need to go bye-bye now. Dali. What are you doing? You're supposed to be in your closet. Shh. Daddy, what are you doing? Well, you guys are so silly. What's that look for? Huh? Why look sad? Oi. Steady. Steady. Dali na. I have some work. Come on. Ah. Hi. Glad. Come on. Get out there. Come on. Dali. I'm gonna make your face big and silly. I don't care. You don't care, Nana. Nana. Dali na ba? Bye. Bye.